like a burly, set my aim. Every new morning feels like a game. Plans in my head, fire in my chest. I don't pray for luck, I work for the best. My steps are heavy, but my mind stays light. I'm moving focused, eyes on the high. People doubt quietly, but I don't mind. Champions are built in a different grind. I turn pressure into strength when all in every lane. This mindset isn't bought, it's something that I fought. Success is the language I speak every day. Money is the tool that clears my way. Dreams getting closer with every move I make. Rich in ambition, rich in every step I take. From the bottom, but I rose like smoke. Worked overtime while the whole world joked. Pocket full of hustle, heart full of flame. Now every little win just adds to the name. I'm built from the struggle, shaped by the grind. Never lost focus, stayed locked in my mind. Money don't change me, it multiplies plans. I'm here to stand tall, not follow demands. Success ain't luck, it's a habit I've built. No shortcuts, taking no fear, no guilt. I run my own pace, I write my own code. I turn my ambition into full beast mode. Success is the language I speak every day. Money is the tool that clears my way. Dreams getting closer with every move I make. Rich in ambition, rich in every step I take. If it's meant for me, I'll chase it. If it's hard, I'll still face it. Mindset rich, future bright, I own my path.